I never thought that I'd catch this.
Okay, Raul, slowly. Slowly. There.
I'm dizzy.
Ha? Eh, ano bang gusto mong gawin ko sa'yo?
Kalumita.
Ha? Ano yun?
Vomit. Sige, Rose.
Ayun, dyan ka. Ang hina naman pala uminom. Eh. Okay ka na ba? Okay ka na? Ikaw kasi. Salamat ka. Okay ka na? Okay ka na?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm very, very fine. You're very beautiful. You know that?
What?
You're very beautiful. Thank you so much for taking care of me.
Nandito na pala ang aking man of my dreams. Hi, my love.
I hooked up with Isabel last night, and we shared a very special kiss.
Isabel?
Yeah.
She kissed you? Raul. I have to tell you something about that night.
She's here.
No, Alex.
Sige.
Ha? Wait, Raul! Ba't iniisip mo si Isabel? Ako yun eh.
Even if I pay you, it's like I'm hiring you for your service to be my translator.
Pay? Alam mo, gagawa kita ng kodigo. I will make a kodigo for you.
Kodigo?
You will say these lines to Isabel.
Salamat.
Uy, ang galing. Marunong ka na mag-Tagalog?
Konti lang. Very little.
Sige nga, sample nga.
Mukha kang bakla.
Ano?
Bakla, ikaw.
Ako mukhang bakla?
Called you for the first time yesterday. Finally found the missing part of me.